Welcome to GrabCAD Shop, the work order management tool for 3D printing model shops. You were invited as an operator by your admin to manage and fulfill orders for requesters who have been invited to your shop. To get started, go to shop.grabcad.com on your browser. Here, you can log in with your GrabCAD credentials. If you do not have a GrabCAD account, click Create Account to sign up with the exact email address that was invited. Once you confirm your email, you can sign in. This is your homepage, where you can see all the shops that your admin created and invited you to. There could be multiple shops that manage requests per group or department in your organization, but you will only see the shops you were invited to. In a shop, you can see the orders from invited users with names and relevant dates. You can also advance an order by assigning a status or add prices for quoting or reporting purposes. Each order is submitted by a requester in your shop. It consists of parts and related information like technology, material, and quantity. Each part also has a status, estimate, and a price. You can communicate and clarify details using comments. This will generate an email notification to the order requester. You must assign yourself or another operator to an order. Once assigned, this person will be responsible for downloading the parts, completing the order, and communicating with the requester. Operators can edit the details at any time to optimize the request fulfillment before downloading and opening the parts in the relevant software. You must also edit the delivery's date and statuses to communicate progress. You can also enter the print estimates for each file. If your admin has set up rates for the requested material or machines, then a price is automatically generated. As the operator, you can change the material or machine to generate a new price and add extra costs or even override the total cost as shown. As you start accepting orders from your users, you will see them in the orders page. As your list grows, you can easily search and filter based on certain criteria. By default, only the active orders are shown. You can then export the list for reporting purposes. GrabCAD Shop allows you to expose your Stratasys machines, non-Stratasys AM machines, and even traditional processing systems like CNCs to your users, which have been added by your admin. You can select the machine and add or remove material available in your inventory to offer your users as shown. Here you can also see the rates configured by your admin, but you cannot change them. Operators can also create new orders. You can add CAD or mesh files, project files, and even relevant documents. You can only choose from the technologies and materials that you set up previously before submitting the order. You are now ready to be an operator for the shop. To add new technologies, rates, or new columns in the orders list, contact your admin. If you run into any issues, you can always contact the Stratasys support team or access our help documentation.